Up. Hi. All the people out there, you want to know the really awesome name called Kai. Oh, still. That was just from earlier. Well, never mind. This video is called Cool Sound Effects. And I'm going to show you what cool sound effects are. I'm going to tell you what cool sound effects are. Well, cool sound effects are when you make noises with instruments, body parts, and basically your mouth. And I'm going to show you through a few ones that I've come up with. This is one.